was so soft one could almost hear them talking.
I am peace. The world is full of anger and fighting. Nobody can keep me lit. I am faith. I am no longer necessary. It doesn't make sense that I stay lit another moment. I am love. People don't understand my importance, so they simply put me aside. They even forget to love those who are nearest to them.
Suddenly, a child entered the room and saw 3 unlit candles.
Why aren't you burning? You are supposed to stay lit till the end.
Seeing this, the child began to cry.
Don't be afraid. I am hope. While I am still burning, we can relight the other candles. Yay!
With shining eyes, the child took the candle of hope and lit the other candles. The greatest of these is love, but the flame of hope should never go out of your life. With hope, each of us can live with peace, faith, and love.
Dear God, you are my light and salvation. You are my hope. Please come into my heart, forgive all my wrongs,